Hi everyone, welcome back to another trading day. Today, Wednesday, 3 April 2024. My trade directions for today will be long on the US, the CAD and the Aussie, and short on the New Zealand, the Swiss and the pound. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started. Dollar index, well, giving up a little bit yesterday on very flat news. So no more bullish news yesterday. Came in as expected, the jolts openings, and now might be retracing. Although if I look at all my indicators show strong dollar, but I'm really hoping for a retracement back to retest this structure here, or this area here around the moving averages here. But if it doesn't, well, I'm staying bullish on the dollar, and as long as I get dollar bullish entries on my trades, I will keep taking them even if this starts to fall. But it would be perfect technical analysis if we can get a retracement. You can see my short-term indicator turned blue, my support levels here on the two moving averages are fine, and my intraday indicator shows me just all strong on the dollar. But gold doesn't flinch a little bit. There's so much interest in gold. Gold just breaking 22.86 this morning, I think was the high, 88 actually, and just keeps going. So any long positions here are doing very, very well. But for day trading and for intraday trading, I'm going to need a retracement before I'll buy. I buy for the long term. A long term holding for the 2,500 up to $3,200 levels. That's my targets over the, I can't say how long. But for now, I'm buying for long term as it breaks out through specific levels. But to trade really an intraday trade on 4-hour charts, I'm going to need a retracement. This is a daily chart in gold. I'm going to need a retracement. And with a strong dollar at this stage, I won't buy for the short term because this can turn any minute. And I don't mind for my long term trades that it comes back to pick up some levels, but taking a 4-hour trade up there, that's just looking for trouble. Bitcoin, really nice run here, but now battling a little bit. Big sell-off yesterday. Apparently the US made some $69 trade on Bitcoin, testing it. They want to send $2 billion there apparently to, I think, Binance. Well, most likely to sell it because they are obviously moving it to an exchange. But that won't bother me too much. That's $2 billion. That is such a small percentage of the market cap of Bitcoin. I don't think it will have that much of an influence. I love retracements. I'm a retracement trader. So at this stage, I've identified two levels. I showed you yesterday the 50 to 61% level, this area here. This is where I will buy for the long term. And now that we're starting to see a little bit of a consolidation up there, confirming that, I would start to get interested when it starts to break through the $71,000 again, right? At this stage, it might be a little bit lower as the line comes down, but the $71,000 if it breaks that, and obviously the $72,000 if it breaks that, and even if it breaks the highs, I mean they are so close to each other. That's the area that I will get interested up there and interested down here. Not here. I don't see the need to get involved here. I've got a big enough Bitcoin position, so I won't get involved in a consolidation period. That's just frustrating. So have your cash ready. This is the place to buy or to look for reversals, and then the breakouts there, that's another place to buy. So Bitcoin's still very bullish, although it's consolidating. I think it's an anticipation of the Bitcoin halving in roughly 2 weeks. I think it's 17 or 19 April. I think the market just want to make sure, because this is the first time that we saw a rally and a new high prior to the Bitcoin halving over the last how many years. So I think the market's a little bit, are we going to continue or not? So let's give the market a chance to rest. Damn, look at the bulls. The bulls have run a big race here, going up $40,000 in no time. So just give it a chance, let them rest a little bit, and then we will join the race once it breaks or once it finds support. Oil still up for a buy, but not at those levels. We're still going to wait for retracement. Highly unlikely that's going to happen today, but I keep these things on my watch list that I don't forget about them. So the big swing up here, 61% retracement, the structure here, I'll get interested in some longs. Then the SP 500 turning bearish here. Actually, not that I'm convinced it will fall. I'll be cautiously short. It's election year. I don't like to be short during election years. But right, let's see what happens. I'll be cautious. I'll see how the market respond on the retracement level here at structure there. See quite a nice level coming in there. Trend is turning bearish on a strong dollar. That is stock market bearish. So when it hits the 61% level, I'll see how it responds, and I'll look for some short on some solid kind of reversals. Same scenario on the Nasdaq. A little bit of a bigger level coming in the Nasdaq. You can see resistance, resistance, support, support, support. Trend is also turning strong dollars. So I'm looking at shorts there. I won't just short straight out there. I'll wait for the market to tell me what to do. So when it gets there, I'll see what the market tells me. And if the market wants to reverse and the bears are taking control, then I will short and follow the crowds there. In the New Zealand US, testing the level I showed you yesterday. And it gave a nice bearish engulfing, but that was on the midnight bars, guys. I don't trade this 2000 hour bars. That's 12 o'clock South African time, and that's 100 hour bars. That's the 4 o'clock bar. That's the two bars, the 2000 and the 100 hour bars. I don't trade, so that bearish engulfing is useless. Still tested the levels, the 50 to 61% level I'm after. I need a strong reversal on this white candle, meaning it needs to close back below the support level here. It needs to close back below that and below the halfway mark of the white candle. Then I'll get interested. All right. But for now, I'll just sit tight and see New Zealand, definitely red zone, dollar all the sparkle. So that's why I would like to be short here. Pound US, also nice. You had this big drop, retracement, a little bit consolidation, big drop. So let's see what happens when it gets back to the 50 to 61% level. Structure there, that's the level I've identified. If you look at the pound in the red zone, dollar all the sparkle. So I would love to be short here, but I first needed to test and prove themselves the base. New Zealand yen, New Zealand red zone, yen neutral. I'm not that much after the yen, but the New Zealand is the one I want to be short in, and this is what I can do here. Getting a bit of a sideways range, but if I can get a good solid reversal there, a nice target down the page, that would be great. Even beyond that, but if it gets stuck in a sideways range. But let's see if the bears can can prove themselves when we get to that 50% level, when we get to the structure there. We will see. If the bulls just shoot through, then I'll step away. If the bulls get there and they get, the territory of the bears get defended well by the bears and reversing with a candle pattern, then I'll definitely take some shorts. The Euro CAD, well, there was a big run up the page and a slow reversal up there. Very slow reversal, strong break. Now the retest, you can see the big levels getting retested. I know there are levels up higher, but this is the first place I will test my trade idea. Euro quite neutral, so I'm not after the Euro short, but I'm after the CAD long. CAD second strongest. If I can get a reversal there, I will short this. That'll give me the CAD long that I'm looking for. And the CAD Swiss, also looking for longs. CAD strong. Swiss, the weakest of them all, fighting with the New Zealand to be the weakest one. So I'm still interested in a retracement here. I don't see this break yet as a good, solid, big one. You'll see there, if I draw in the Fibonacci there, it's only retracing 38%, not even 50%, and that's not my way of doing things. I need decent retracements. I love swing trading, and this gives me a good entry here at this level. So still a while before it could get there. New Zealand CAD. Now New Zealand red zone CAD, green zone. Still I want to be long CAD, and shorting this year will give me the long on the CAD, but it will also give me the short on the New Zealand I'm looking at. So we had a nice running trend down the page, very nice, and then now forming a little bit of a consolidation here, and then the strong break. So now the retest. Well, we'll see if the bears can prove themselves, if they want to keep going with this trend. If not, most likely the bulls will just shoot it through, and then I will step aside. In the Euro US testing the level I'm after yesterday, but never got a counter reversal there, not even a 1 hour reversal you got there. Nothing showed you that you can short that. Now, still interested, but I'm definitely going to need this. You see the structure here. I need a bearish engulfing wrapping around that white body, so it needs to close well below the body of this white candle in the very next, we've got 2.5 hours left, so by the time of making the video. So keep an eye there. If it can come down very nicely, that'll give me a short in the euro US. Now, I'm not after the short in the euro, but I'm after a dollar bullish setup. So shorting the euro US, that gives me the long on the dollar. Swiss yen, well, the trend is a bit iffish, but in the last period here, it was quite nice. A little bit spiky. I'm not used to that much, but the swing here, the retracement back to the 50%. Nice structure here. So I'm going to keep it cautious. It is the Swiss. I would love to be short Swiss. Yen neutral, I'm not too worried about that. So let's see. When it gets up there, you can see there's a little spike there. Almost reached that also. So it seems like the market is acknowledging that level as a structure. So let's give it a chance. Let's give it a chance. Then the pound yen. Pound red zone yen. Okay, not after that. Just turning bearish. Not that great of a trend. It's a strong bull trend, and then the consolidations kicks in. So it seems like we had a little bit of a rising trend here, like a continuation pattern of the preceding trends. If I look at that falling tops, it's like a triangle. So what I do see here is not a trend reversal. Okay, that could be a little double top, right? But then the consolidation, then the break, and now the retest. Now, I would like to retest the pattern also. That's no problem. But for now, I'll test my trade idea at the 50-61%. So that's the area I'm watching. And if I can get a test and a counter reversal, a good strong one, then I'll be interested in shorting this. Then the Euro Swiss, very nice setup. I love this. Euro, not after the Euro, but I'm after the Swiss short. And going long here will give me a Swiss short. So I need a retest. Look at this lovely double bottom. Very nice double bottom. And then the run up the page. The US Swiss looks similar, but it's just, the setup is just not that good. So I opted for the Euro Swiss. Euro, I know it's very neutral, but the Swiss is the short one. That's what I'm after. So if I can get this later this week or today, a retracement back here, then I will get interested, because it's a very nice bull trend, strong bull trend, losing a little bit of steam up there, but then a solid support, double bottom, the break, and I'm after the retest. It feels like I'm a little bit, that it might not come back, but you know what? I want to be long here, but I'm not going to chase it up there. I don't want to be long up there. I want to be long if it comes down here. I just wait for the market to come to my level. I don't go to the market. I wait. I will get a Swiss short somewhere. I'll get something somewhere. I don't have to get it here. This is just a beautiful technical picture. That's why I get excited about it. Then my favorite trade idea for today is the potential short on the pound cat. But if you are new to this channel and find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up. And hit that subscribe button for me so I can keep making content like this. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to ensure that you don't miss out on any of my videos. So if we move on then to the pound cat, you see pound red zone, cat green zone. I like this trend. You can see the moves are starting to get strong downwards, consolidation, a break downwards, consolidation, and another strong break down the page. So let's see on the retest. Support, a lot of support coming in, retested there, well, not a counter reversal, but the candle shows that the market is confirming this. So I would love to see what happens now if we get a decent test of this level at the 50% level. And if I can get a strong counter reversal here, and I see the pound still stays red and the cat still green, then I will definitely look for some shorts here. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. Please fill up the comments below this video. I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link below, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Remember that trading carries risk, so don't forget to trade responsibly and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. Can't wait to see my next video. Until then, trade well.